I have less than 10 minutes to show you the ranges of lightsabers that we have here at the saberfactory.com. From 69 USD up to the $500, $600 range. I'm Kevin here at the saberfactory.com, and without further ado, let's dive in.
Welcome to the Saber Factory.
So, we'll go in ascending price order. From the entry price model to the dueling range of sabers, then some custom designs, and finally, of course, we'll talk about the replica lightsabers. And I'll tell you which of our sabers is right for you. Remember that each lightsaber is rated on 5 criteria shown on each respective product page, so when you're browsing, you can always refer to those criteria to have a better understanding on what was prioritized in the design of this model. The entry price, $69 US for the number 1. The number 1 is an exception in our catalog and in Nexus Saber's product line to achieve an enterprise saber that is more destined as a kid's toy or for casual use. Unlike all other sabers, the Xeno 3 board on this one is more basic, meaning there's no SD card, only 16 sound fonts that you cannot change. It comes with a low-density NeoPixel blade if you choose the NeoPixel option. Here it's baselit. And that is contrary to regular Xeno 3 electronics that equip every other single lightsaber that we sell. And the hilt also is thinner in its construction. So it's not recommended for strong dueling and academy training. Again, I recommend this saber for some casual playing around for kids, always under adult supervision, of course. Then, on to the dueling range. From $79 US to about $200. Just as a reminder, from then on, for every lightsaber, you choose your preferred electronics kit. Xeno 3 baselit or NeoPixel, and for replica sabers, we also have Profi boards, but no matter the hilt, electronics work the same. So whether you pick a $79 US or a $200 or close to $200 dueling saber, it'll be as good. The difference in price is strictly limited to the hilt design complexity, and actually, more complex design may mean more limitations, more maintenance complexity. So if you're looking for best value, actually look in the lower prices. For example, the Lana here. It is made as thick as any other hilt in the dueling range. It is a simple 2-parts construction. It's very light, simple to open. I'm going to turn it off, it's noisy. It's pretty large, as you can see, and it's super strong, perfect for dueling. In the middle of the dueling range, you'll find more intricate designs that will increase the price, but functions remain the same. And at the top of the dueling range, you may find, for instance, the OB stunt. At $169 US in our stunt range, you have many more parts. A thin neck that's trying to replicate Obi-Wan saber, but with a simpler, more budget-friendly construction. Still with limitations regarding heavy dueling, maintenance access, as it has more parts, there's more wiring, it necessitates more disassembling. So, more design complexity means higher price, but also it's less practical for dueling, more complex maintenance. So, you choose where you want that cursor. And now we move on to the custom designs. From $159 US to $399 US at current prices, these are replica-like sabers with intricate designs, created by Nexus Sabers and not linked to a Star Wars character per se. It could come from another pop culture license like this Stellar Moon inspired hilt, or also this Tron Legacy inspired saber. Or it can be a pure design creation from them like the Kyber saber. And this one is very nice with the Kyber crystal. Usually they're heavy, they're bulky. The focus on those custom designs is on the looks and not really on practicality, very much like replicas. Character replicas. And of course, one of the most iconic here, the Graflex. Those lightsabers, they start from about $189 US and can go up to $700 $700 for some dual sabers. But single sabers, it'll stop at around 500-ish. Replicas are meant to replicate a design seen in movies, series, games, or comics, so they may not be comfortable to use or duel with. And they may compromise on Bluetooth signal quality if you have a Xeno 3 card, and that is due to the thicker hilt material to achieve the design and the screen accuracy. So depending on design complexity, you will find some low-priced replicas like this Depabalaba that is $189 US. Luke starts at $239, Anakin at $289, and Maul Episode 1 is $299. But that's actually two sabers coupled together, so you're basically at around $150 per hilt, which is a great deal. Top of the range, you'll find the most exclusive single hilts, like this Dooku hilt here, that is $509 to $599 depending on the electronics you choose, and that is due to the curved hilt that is tailor-made. Also, the electronics are custom-made for this saber, and you know it's not used across the range of sabers, so it explains the price. Or this Cal Kestis crossguard saber for $529 USD, Xeno 3, due to the crossguard mini lasers, the huge amount of material and machining that is needed to build this saber. Of course, note that double sabers, dual sabers like Ahsoka or this beautiful Satil Shan, they'll come at a higher price because you basically get two separate sabers. So they'll have a higher price point. And that wraps up our tour of the saber ranges that we have at the Saber Factory. So some quick takeouts. Low price dueling are plenty strong and they offer the same electronics experience as high price replicas. Custom designed and replicas are complex hilts made of many parts. The focus is on screen accuracy and design, so often compromising on Bluetooth quality or comfort of use, ease of maintenance. And our latest addition to our Sabers catalog, you know, the number one, is an entry price that is great for starting, great for playing around or to have fun with kids. Again, always under adult supervision. So, in doubt, you can always ask me in the chat on the website and I'll get back to you. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. May the force be with you.
Join me, leave a like and subscribe to this channel.